Welcome back to another video. This one is going to be a short one, but I guarantee you it's probably the most unique video that I've done so far. As I've been doing this, my scooter routine, we'll call it, I've been saying how the drivers in South Florida are terrible and that they're not looking for bicyclists, motorcyclists, or people on scooters, and that we could possibly get hit. Well, I got hit. We're going to take a look at the video. I am okay. My wrist was sprained and my hip was bruised, but other than that, there's no serious bodily injury. But I do want to take a look at this video, so that's what we're going to do right now. This is going to be on Polk and just turning off of US 1 right at the Cirque Hotel on the opposite side of Publix. So I'm just driving through here like normal. Of course, you know, you have people running across the street or whatever. And I am as close to the curb as I possibly can. I'm going to be continuing straight on Polk Street. And I see this car here and I'm like, oh, okay, there's a car, no problem. I'll just go ahead and go. And again, I'm as far to the, dude hit me and kept going. He hit me and kept going. Hit and run with me on my scooter, laying flat on the ground while this bozo just drives off like nothing happened. So we're going to go back to this video just so we can see it again. I'm going to try and slow-mo it as much as possible. Right about. And so this line to the right, that is where basically there's not supposed to be any traffic there. So I'm just to the left of that line because I'm continuing straight on Polk as this guy, I did it really fast, as this guy turns. And he knocked my shoe off. That's, I don't know if you can see right there, that's me with one sock and one shoe. Knocked my shoe off, that's my backpack on the ground, and of course my scooter is back here because that's where the GoPro is attached to. So I'm just going to go through that one more time. I don't know how many times I'll actually repeat this, but I do want to just kind of show kind of where the impact happened. So again, I'm going straight. I'm doing what I'm supposed to do. Okay, so here is this greenish, tealish car who, look where he turns. Look where he starts turning. You're not even in the perpendicular lane yet, and you're already turning. Look where he's turning, dude. He I don't understand why he sped past me to make the turn. I don't understand why he turned the way that he turned. As you can see right here, he's basically crossing over into an area where he's not supposed to be to have his tires anyway. And then I don't understand why he didn't stop. There's no way that you could not feel that impact, like, oh, I hit something. And then you look in your rearview mirror, there's a person on the ground. Was that what I hit? And look at his tires, man. What kind of turn is that, bro? Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. So I'm gonna go ahead and pause that right there. That's me cussing this dude out. I'm obviously pretty pissed off because dude hit me and dude kept going. I'm not a short dude. I'm 6'6" on a scooter. So if you don't see me, and I don't know if you can tell, well, it's actually right here, I have a light on my backpack that flashes. So to also draw attention to me so that I don't get hit. So what just happened to me doesn't happen. So anyway, I'm going to play this video one more time, all the way through. I'm going to be quiet, but I do want to just give you a little bit of information. After this happened, if you can tell in the video, I called the police, and I called 911. The police arrived and they gave me some very interesting information. Unfortunately, they didn't catch this guy. I wasn't seriously hurt. Like I said, my left wrist was still a little tender right now, but it was very sore the next day, and so was my hip because I actually slammed onto the ground. So my wrist was where I braced myself for the fall, and then of course my hip is where I actually fell. So like I said, unfortunately this guy wasn't caught, and but I do have some updates as far as the way that the police kind of handled everything. So we'll just kind of go from there. So as I said, I will play the video in its entirety right now.
Motherfucker, get over here!
So I don't know if you heard it. It sounded like they said IAH125 for the license plate number. And that's pretty much it. So I'll go ahead and end the video.